What is good, Creative Garage fam? We are back with another video. As you can see, I got the Miata motor in the air. I got my boy helping me out right now. We're gonna get all this taken care of. I got some new parts. We got the new oil filter, the new rear main, the half, I think it's called half moon lip is what they would say on the forums, but it's for this bottom part of this seal right here. But we're gonna get that taken care of. That's what's been leaking and it's been upsetting, so we're gonna take care of that. I gotta need a sandwich plate adapter for the oil filter, so excited to show you that. We got new oil, we got everything that we possibly need for today. Actually, this is the new Glow Shift oil sandwich filter. Highly recommend it. I'll drop a link below in the description where you guys, for all you Miata heads, can go ahead and pick something like this up. Definitely highly recommended. I'm going to show you why in the video, because if you want to go turbo and you want to be able to secure it, that's what you need to do. New oil lines, fire. These are way better. The CX1 Racings, or CX Racing ones is what I would say. Sorry. Right here, ass water. I don't like it, don't love it. Get rid of it, be done with it. So that's what it is for today. We got me and my boy, we're gonna fade in right now. We're gonna get it done. I'm gonna tap back in with you guys and maybe make some more progress, but hope you guys enjoy the video. Yeah, you hit.
Yeah. How the fuck did you get this shit out?
We kind of had to finagle it. That's what I'm saying. We kind of got to like push to the left.
Was it just like that putting it in?
Well, kind of ish. Only because we were able to lay it down.
That's to make it in there. And then you can press it out.
So this is for the front. Yeah, I got another one. Got them all.
This is trash, bro.
Yeah, it's over. We gotta let this go. This is ass water. You heard him. It said it's trash. We gotta let it go. It's done. This shit was the cause of all my problems. Look, it was cracking, doing all some extra shit. Like, what is this?
Right here, you can see the cracks.
Yeah, you see the cracks? Yeah. It was looking like some real Medusa shit, so I had to let it go.
Yo, you can actually even see the cracks inside.
Huh, nasty. Look at that.
You can see the cracks.
Oh, that is sick, man. Yeah. I had to let it go. It's okay.
No life.
Yeah, couldn't do it. Yeah, for all you low life cats, I don't know, I can't do it. I'm not spending money on oil pans. We're not doing this every like
Yeah, look at this
90
shit,
days,
no cracks.
30 days. Look, this is clean, no cracks, fresh from factory. Stop playing with me, boss. That's how I knew I had to get rid of it. So, but it's all good. So we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up, and then we'll tap back in with you guys in just a minute. Would you look at that? We got that done. I got the new oil pan over there drying. Crazy. My boy Tubbs just faded in.
You already know what's going on. Hey, hit that. Let me get in there.
What you trying
What's
to?
What's going on? It's your boy Tubbs here. You know.
Okay.
I'm here with the one and only Jay Fresh.
Alright.
With the Creative Garage.
You want to come around the other way real quick?
Should,
Yeah. You know, I want them to make sure they can see you. Yeah, go ahead, walk on through, Playboy.
What's going on? What's going on here with the one and only Jay Fresh?
You already know.
Who does it best.
Team who does it best.
We out here. We fixing the oil pan.
We fixing oil pans. We doing motor swaps.
On my car, we're gonna drop a video on that soon. We just got some coilovers for the car. We're gonna reveal what kind of coilovers I got.
Yeah.
Max hype.
Waiting
for the wheels and tires to come in. They told me it's gonna be a delay because materials. I don't know what the fuck that means, but we're coming in hot.
Coming in hot. Be ready.
Be ready.
So we got it going. My boy Tubbs is here. We're gonna finish the rest of this, and we're gonna tap back in. I gotta take off, like, you know, this oil line right here. Hit it with the Grange to Grills Teflon. Anything with liquid, always use Teflon. I was a clown better on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the clown emoji on there. Let's go look at it. Boom, clown emoji right there. So cool. We're gonna do that, and then the rest of everything should be good. We should be on the way to new success. Should be able to start the car today. Let's work. Check it out. We got this nice mega tape. Definitely highly recommended for all your plumbing and anything liquid. I was a clown better. Didn't apply this, and obviously leaks will appear. So get the mega tape, fade in, don't leak, no squeaks. Let's do it. Let's work. So what's up? We're fading back in. Check it out. Funny thing is, we had a bolt stuck in this one right there.
Yeah, so basically what happened, it broke. It snapped on us because some RTV got in there, and as I was just hand tightening it, the bolt had tension, and I was thinking, oh, you know, it's not all the way in. So it snapped, it got stuck in there. Now we've been here for like, 30 minutes using these extract drill bits to be removing it, and after 30 minutes of, you know, hitting it, we finally extracted it out.
Oh, right there, yeah.
Yeah, that was in this hole.
Crazy.
Inside that hole right there. So we didn't strip the threads, everything's all still good.
Yeah, everything's still intact.
We basically saved it, you know.
Jeez.
Took our time doing it.
Massive save. Crazy. We got it. You already know the team that does it best. We're always saving it. Yeah, so we got that taken care of. We're gonna go ahead and get some new bolts. I need to get a little oil cooler seal, and then we're set. I'm gonna put on the new glow shift, the oil feed, everything else can go in its place, and then this motor should be good. No more liquids coming out. We're done with that, so we're ready to go. We're gonna fade in. So we'll go ahead and tap in with you guys soon.
You know, you start tightening it cross-eyed, so then it starts going in evenly, and then push through in. That's it. Bottoms out too, so it's not like you're gonna break.
Yeah, it has a stopper, right?
Yeah, eventually, like, the bolt will stretch out, and then that's it. It just stops, so it, you know, it doesn't break anything. But yeah, it's flushed down. Like, I can't torque it more than that. Like, it's already like if it's tight.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, see, it's all tight.
Damn.
Pretty much solid.
I went ahead and got this glow shift adapter all hooked up, ready. It's all boarded up, ready to go. Fire. So that's ready. Sorry, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna tap back in once we hit another milestone in this project real quick. Once again, it's Creative Garage, the only team that does it best. There you go, guys. Take a look. Ooh. Right there, right there. Fire. All the way around. God. Crazy. We have the Sorry, I don't know if you guys can see that. We got the glow shift adapter right here. As you can see, I went ahead and added some super Teflon tape, plumber's tape. So you can go ahead and get that real nice fitment. You're gonna need to dab like, you know, a little bit of oil. This is braking oil, you know, obviously. You're just gonna need to dab a little bit around the ring right here. And once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and slap that right there. But I'm gonna show you guys that in a second. So this is the glow shift adapter. I'll have the link below in the description if you never need to figure out another alternate solution to supply oil to your turbo. This would be the piece that you need right here. Sorry about that. There you go. Glow shift. Fire. Cool. So let's go ahead and get this installed. Alright guys, let's go ahead, check it out, nice and clean. I went ahead and got that turbo line on there, as you guys can see. So, went ahead, it's looking stellar. You know what I did, I added some oil right here in between so everything can work out smoothly and it can set right. We got the filter on there, boom. Then what else do we got? Let me see, we got the line right there. Line goes out, up, and right there. Boom. Perfect, perfect. So everything looks good. We're gonna go ahead, throw the clutch on, get the transmission back on, put it back in the car, and we're gonna rip it, fire it, and it's gonna sound great. It's gonna do wonders. Hopefully no more leaky issues, because yeah, going back after this is high-key annoying. So don't be a clown, better check all your lines, check all your fittings, and make sure everything is tight and right.
Forward, it'll tilt it, right?
Yeah. Starting with the back side, going like inward, I would say. Yeah, this is more gonna be like, you know what I mean?
Let's talk about it. We're here, we're putting back the transmission and the motor into the car. Jay Fresh fixed the seal on the rear main on his oil pan, so we're all good to go. It's looking fire.
Yeah, music. Just a little more. I know, is that low fire? Oh, you got the other mount?
It's right there.
Oh yeah. Cause you can't set this without them. You know it'll be falling off, but we gotta fight it.
Woo! Y'all see it. Talk to him. But look, I'm back. You can hear the car, you can see it, you can feel it. Oh god. Shout out to our boy who always helps us out.
You have no leaks, no squeaks.
Y'all see it.
We got the green parked next to the red. Oh god.
What's up? We're here. The car is on the road. No leaks, no squeaks. Blue check mark. Verified. Can't do it no more. Certified. So you know what? The car is back. I'm feeling good. Having a little light skin moment because, you know, the car is on the street. Hasn't been on the street. It drives. Need to clean up the tune a little bit, and then I swear to God, we're set. So we should be super good. I need to give her a wash, love her down like I never did before, and really just, you know, love her. So we're outside again. It's that time of the year. I know last time around this time of the year is when she blew up. So really good and glad to have her back. Feels different. I'm super excited. Hope you guys are ready. And there's gonna be a lot more content on the way. Let me show you what it looks like. Ooh,
Fire.
Crazy.
Cracking, man, before you see it.
Cracking.
Fire. We proud of this setup because, to be honest with you guys, this is our second Miata that, you know, is finished from the team, and we're glad about how it's going. So as you guys can see, Miata's running great, sounds great, love it.